Hey, buddy. All right, so here's the A blues that we talked about in the last lesson. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube so you can practice along with it at home in between now and next week. You'll see that I've written out the notes for all of the notes in the notation, and also included a tab above it to remind you where those notes are on the guitar. So the first measure here is showing you where all these notes are in tablature. The top line is your high E string. The bottom line is your low E string. So this is string number 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you notice the first two notes that we play, you have an A here and an E, is going to be the A string open, and then you're going to play the D string, the second fret of the D string. So your pointer finger will be on the second fret for these two notes. And then you use your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string for these two notes. And that pattern, 2, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 4, 4, repeats all the way through all these measures, but on different strings. You'll notice that if the strings don't have any kind of number on it, you're not going to strum those strings with your pick. You're only going to make the strings vibrate that have the numbers on them. So these are all just 2-string chords all the way through the song until you get to the end, which is an E7 chord, where you make all of them vibrate, and it shows you where to put your fingers, just like I talked about in the lesson. So here we go. I'll play this so you can play along with it and listen to how it sounds, and then we'll hear from you and see how you do next week. Good, and remember these two dots means that you repeat back to the beginning and play it all over again. What I'll show you now is this is the scale that you can improvise over. We'll talk about that some more next week, but these notes will sound good anywhere in the song. So while I'm playing this part, you can play these notes and make yourself a little solo. And the scale sounds like this, the A blues scale. All right, we'll talk more about that next time too. All right, good job, bud. We'll see you next week.